Welcome to episode 3 of 𝗙𝗢𝗥𝗕𝗦𝗖𝗥𝗑𝗕 with YumCrunch. Today we'll be turning the classic Filipino dish, Sinigang, into a dumpling. Start by soaking pork feet with water overnight to get rid of the blood, and blanching it in water for 20 minutes to get rid of any scum. Rinse the pork and add it back to the pot along with onions, tomatoes, and radish. Cover that with water and boil for 3 to 4 hours, then season with a sinigang soup packet or tamarind paste, fish sauce, and salt. Strain it out and let it solidify in the fridge and turn into a jello. For the dough, combine flour, salt, and warm water until a shaggy dough comes together. Knead until smooth and let it rest for 45 minutes. Scrape some of the fat on top of the soup jello and finally mince it. For the filling, combine ground pork, onions, fish sauce, some sinigang soup mix, salt, and the soup jello from earlier. Make sure to also mix in one direction. Now cut the dough in half, roll into a rope, and cut it into 10-gram pieces. Flatten and roll the dough and fill it with about a tablespoon of filling. Fold the soup dumpling with about 18 pleats and steam for 8 minutes. And that's it. And to answer the question of will it dumpling? Not really. It kinda just tasted like sour pork.